Hello mathematicians, I hope by the end of this video you can say I can tell if a relation is a function using a graph. So we know that a function is defined as a special relationship where each input has a single output. So when we're looking at a graph, we think of our inputs as our x-axis here. That's our input. And our output is our y-axis. So if a graph represents a function, that means that each x value should be represented by exactly one y value, and it should pass what we call the vertical line test. So say I were to draw a vertical line right through the x value of x equals 1 right here. I can see that at x equals 1 we get both a y value of 1 and a y value of also negative 1. Therefore the input of 1 has two outputs, the outputs being 1 and negative 1. So this is not a function. So this is not a function. Okay, and I could do that on other points as well, but it really only needs to happen at one point in time. If it does not pass the vertical line test, if this line passes through 2 points on the graph, it is not a function. So now let's look over here. Now no matter where I draw a vertical line on this one over here, for each x value, so at x equals negative 2, it looks like y equals about 3 right here. Okay, and there's another output. For each input, there's only one output. It doesn't matter where I draw this vertical line. No matter where, it is only going to have one output. So this is a function. So this one right here is a function because it passes our vertical line test. So using the vertical line test, you should be able to tell whether a graph is a function fairly easily. I hope by now you can say I can tell if a relation is a function using a graph.